Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix WhatsApp last seen not showing problem. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if your WhatsApp last seen is not showing, so here are some possible solutions. Quite simple, you can check your privacy settings. Make sure that your privacy settings are not set to hide your last seen status. Then go to settings, account, you can see privacy. Now you can see last seen, and you can see it's nobody. That means that you cannot see anybody's last seen, and also your last scene cannot be seen by anyone. So if you want to see the last scene of the other pupils, you have to set it to the everyone, and then you will be able to see the last scene of the pupil. Also guys, you can see, check if you are blocked. If you cannot see someone's last scene, it could mean that they have blocked you, and you will also not be able to see their profile picture or the status update, and try contacting them through another means to confirm it you have been blocked. If you are still facing the problems, try connecting WhatsApp support for the further assistance. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.